Hi everyone. Today I'm going to start psychiatry. In psychiatry, we will try to understand how we can improve, how can we implement memory technique by scientific way. So other than psychiatry, I will try to cover all the aspect of memory, and you all know that memory is nothing but a habit. So we are to make habit, and it will take time. Definitely it will take time. I can't say that I will make you learn all the mnemonics, all the techniques in one day. So keeping the mind, I will try to elaborate my topics with memory techniques. So first of all, I should mention the importance of psychiatry in PG entrance exam, NEET entrance exam, and MCI screening test. So you all know that it's a part of short subject, and short subject are very important. Particularly psychiatry becomes important because most of the questions are repeated, and we can easily get 100% marks in psychiatry. The only difficult thing in psychiatry is that in it you know that language is difficult, but if you remember psychiatry with the example, then it would be easy for you. So without wasting my time, I would introduce first memory technique, that is picture mnemonic. Autism you can consider as auto. We don't have any picture. Yes, if you have seen patient in clinical practice, definitely you will remember what is autism. But suppose you don't know anything about autism, and let me tell you that you are to mug up that thing. Okay, you have no information about autism. Okay, let me interrupt my discussion to tell you that in complete psychiatry, not only in psychiatry, in other subjects also, there are two types of question which are asked. One is conceptual question, and I will advise you to remember those question conceptually. And another question which can't be related by any concept, those questions are to be mugged up. So better to make mnemonic for those, and we frequently make mistake. That's why I'm giving you important aspect, scientifically proven things. Okay, I'm not telling all these things on my behalf. I will give you scientific proof and scientific way to improve memory. So with that promise, I continue. Autism. Autism we will consider as auto. Yes. So now you have mental picture of auto in place of autism, and you know autism, auto are mainly run by males. So autism is more common in male. Frequently asked question. Auto is having three tire. Yes, you can see in the diagram three tire. One is hiding. Yes, so three tires means age criteria is 3 years. So to make the diagnosis of autism, the age of the child should be 3 year. Now further you can add further mnemonic, just like, yes, 3 years or 33% patient of autism have mental retardation. Question is asked, one third or 33% of patients of autism have comorbid mental retardation. Now, MMR, yes, MMR vaccine. Write down MMR vaccine. There was a research, and it showed that MMR vaccine is associated with autism. Or later on, this hypothesis was discarded. Now question is asked that autism is not associated with MMR vaccine. Now one more question. Mother, mother, refrigerator mother. A question is asked that refrigerator mother concept was given for autism. Actually, previously it was said that the child is having autism due to, yes, child is having autism because the mother could not transfer the emotion to a child. But this theory was rejected. Okay. Now, if frequently asked question, you can remember this by any logic. A question is asked that autism is commonly associated with tuberous sclerosis. Okay. So how to remember? Auto is having tire. If one tire is punctured, yes, tire is having tube, tube is punctured, tube become sclerosed, tube become sclerosis. So autism is associated with tuberous sclerosis. And when there is puncture, you will use jack. You will use jack in the form of, in the shape of X, in the shape of X. And the other, yes, comorbidity, fragile X syndrome, frequently asked question. Now, this there is a pandemic of COVID. Now, this auto person is keeping phenyl every time with him, yes, to sanitize his auto. Yes, phenyl autouria, phenyl ketonuria. Yes, it always keep phenyl in his auto. So autism is associated with phenylketonuria. So all these questions, you can see there is no concept. You are to mug up. Better to mug up with the picture mnemonic. So this is one technique. Yes, we will describe a few more techniques, but for the time being, yes, this is picture mnemonic, and we all know visual memory is much more powerful. So it is scientifically proven. So we will use that. And the visual memory, other than visual memory, imagination is much, yes, definitely more powerful. So we will try to make you learn, I will try to make you learn how to imagine different things and how to correlate all these, so that you can remember all these things very easily. So but it will take time, as I told you that memory is habit, and habit takes time. Okay, so yes, phenylketonuria. Now we come to concept. I told you that conceptual things should never be replaced by mnemonics. So there is a group of disorder, that is pervasive developmental disorder, that is pervasive developmental disorder. According to ICD-10, yes, International Classification of Disease, I will discuss that part separately, 10th edition, given by WHO. Now it is being followed in India. Most of the country are using WHO ICD-10, but America use DSM-5. America use DSM-5, fifth edition is there. According to DSM-5, the name of disorder is autism spectrum disorder. It is continuum or spectrum of disorder. Okay, this name PDD has been replaced by autism spectrum disorder. And ICD-11, which is going to come in 2022, 1st January. Yes, it will be followed. Till then, you are to remember ICD-10. And according to ICD-10, yes, pervasive developmental disorder, it include autism, Asperger syndrome, Rett syndrome, Haller syndrome. So all these are part of PDD. Is first criteria to say child is having autism, there should be impairment in social interaction. Impairment in social interaction. As you know that child make eye to eye contact, social smile, anxiety towards strangers, and affinity or attachment to the mother. All these are normal development, social interaction development of a child. But in autistic child, the child is sitting alone, not interacting to anybody. He is lost in his own world. That is no social interaction, means social interaction will not develop in autistic child. The first criteria to say a child is having autism, there must be impairment in social interaction. Second criteria is restricted repetitive stereotypic behavior, means again and again the child is doing the same activity, okay, same behavior, just like wringing of hand, doing like this, sitting at one place doing like this, banging head. These are stereotypic behavior the child will manifest. Third is impairment in communication and language. You all know the development of language at the 6 month. Question is asked, 6 month monosyllable development, then at 9 month bisyllable, then word, sentence, like that. But in these patient of autism, the language development would not be there or delayed. Okay, but according to DSM-5 and ICD-11, yes, only, yes, now if you want to correlate by that mnemonic of auto was having how many tires? Three tires. How many tires? Three tires. So how many criteria for autism? Three criteria for autism. And you know, one tire was punctured, one tire was punctured. How many left? Two left. So this criteria is punctured. This is no longer a criteria in DSM-5. and ICD-11. In DSM-5, it is no longer a criteria to diagnose autism spectrum disorder. Okay, now I'm saying autism spectrum disorder. According to DSM-5, these subtypes means autism, Asperger syndrome, Rett syndrome, and Haller syndrome are part of only or are severity means are manifestation of same disorder with different severity. So this is no longer a criteria to diagnose autism spectrum disorder. Okay, now Asperger syndrome, yes, but at this time, according to question which are asked, we will remember that all these three criteria, yes, are present in autism, but in Asperger syndrome, yes, Asperger syndrome, language is normal. Language is normal. So you can say Asperger syndrome is autism minus language dysfunction. Or you can simply say to include Asperger in autism spectrum disorder, they remove the criteria of language. Okay. Now, third is Rett syndrome. Yes, in Rett syndrome, how to remember? Yes, you can see the picture of rat and the head is so small, microcephaly. This is microcephaly. So frequently asked question, most of the time in Rett syndrome you will find the answer on microcephaly, macrocephaly. Okay, in Rett syndrome is commonly found in females. Previously it was said that Rett syndrome is exclusively found in females, but few male patient have also been seen. That's why we can't say that it is exclusively, but more common in females. In Rett syndrome there is normal development. There is normal development till 5 months. 5 months the patient will develop, the child will develop all the milestones. It may be language, communication, social interaction, but after 5 months there will be regression. There will be regression means yes, all the milestone he achieved start regressing. So 5 month, yes, after that there is regression. Yes. Now I put a line in the middle, that is midline stereotypy. Midline stereotypy. Yes. What is midline stereotypy? Clapping. Okay. Like, yes, this is midline, putting hands in mouth means center line, towards center line. Okay. Yes, more question that is 75% of Rett syndrome have seizures. As you know that there is microcephaly. What happens? Normally development occur after 5 months, the brain development stops, the cranium development stops, the body develops. So there will be in proportionate growth of body and the child will present with yes, head, a small head just like rat. The last Haller syndrome, another name is childhood disintegrative disorder. In this there is normal development till 2 years. After that there will be loss of acquired functions, acquired milestones just like motor skill, social skill, language skill. In the next lecture I will try to cover memory map. Thank you, best wishes.